Right in a freaking tornado! We're in a twister! This is a twister! We're in it! We're in a tornado! Well, we can't go anymore. We're in a tornado. I freaking knew it! Should I call? Mom!
Who are you gonna call?
The police!
No, I'm not gonna call the police.
They're telling them that we're in a tornado!
Oh, that was scary. Look at it behind us.
Yeah, that's messed up. Well, that's scary.
That was
The
very
Light
scary.
FM, thanks so much for joining
We
us
just
this
got,
afternoon.
we were
Wild
in a
weather
twister.
We've got a couple of tornado warnings still in effect.
Straight up inside of a tornado.
Counties until 3:15.
I'm on out of here.